we're in ocean mode here. You hear it's coming in and out of gear. And ocean mode is just the engines coming in and out of gear, but you can see our heading pretty much is not changing all that much. Just with the engines coming in and out of gear here. Little engagements of the motor. Keep our position. Wind's blowing a little bit, as you can see. Trees over here. Holding our heading and our position. Hear the engines coming in and out of gear. The mode just staying. It's blowing pretty good here now.
Okay, I'm gonna go forward now. We're on DPS mode. I'm gonna go forward. And now I'm gonna let go, and it should auto lock. Stop the momentum. Stop
The
that
engines
forward
are
movement.
reversing to put you back on the spot, and we've stopped. Our spot